konnichiwa. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Thank you for sharing your blessings. Thank you. Oh, that will help a lot with my channel, and thank you so much. And you know, whatever I make on my channel, I give it to in need in our country. I came from the Philippines, so you too. God bless you. Thank you for sharing your blessings, and I know God will bless you back abundantly. Thank you so much.